If you've ever commented link on someone
Dang it, man. Mic was off. My bad. My bad. I was just saying market's super high right now. The indicator's in a short. It's only a grade C though. So we will see here. We will see. See if the indicator can catch a win right off the rip here, dude. TP1 right there, full TP down there. Let's see, man. Let's see. So the top is wins for today on these settings. These are the pretty loosest settings. So it's taking 18 wins and 14 losses today. The weekly, it's yesterday and today, it's 51 and 36. And the monthly is going to be the same because the month started yesterday. But yep. So I can probably remove that monthly one for right now. For this week at least. It's going to be the same as the weekly. But we'll see, man. I kind of want to change it back, dude. I kind of like being able to customize it a little more. It's very non-customizable right now. But there we go, dude. Selling off. Selling off. Can we get down here to the TP1 for me? Hang on, I'm not seeing all the chats here. Let me get on here. Can the indicator start it out with a win here? Come on. It got close down there, wicked right back up. How much was it up right there? It was up 18 points. Nah, Phil, we don't cancel around here, brother. We don't cancel. We might be running a little late every now and then. A few minutes late, but we're here. Is this MNQ? Yes, it is. This is MNQ. Truth Teller got effing smoked 1 day away from a payout. Dang, man, you need to do better. You need to do better, man. You can't be blowing payouts like that. It's not very good. I'm just kidding, bro. It happens to all of us. PA has been dog water. It's just moving higher. I mean, it's in this cycle where it wants to go higher. So none of the shorts are really playing out. If you've been taking longs, you're probably happy. If you've been trying to, you know, short, you're probably not too happy. Phil, no, I haven't got the message. What's going on with it? Let me see if I can check here. Bang, got break even on shorts, full TP on longs today. Let's go. Trailer Poppy said it tapped into a higher time frame order block. Don't need an indicator for that. We'll see, man. We will see. Guess what? I don't even have to look for the order block. Indicator just looks for me. How about that? I just sit here and talk to the chat. The indicator does all the work. Let me go check on it for you, Phil. Did you send a support chat? Yo, can this thing come down, man? Can it come down? TP1 is right there, man. Just bring it on down. Full TP sitting right down there. Bro, I know a lot of you were checking out Hypertix yesterday. Go check him out, dude. Go check him out. This is the prop firm I've been milking lately. Milking them, dude. You can get 50% off with code SLADE right now. Code SLADE will give you 50% off. They got futures, forex. They've got all kind of account types. I like the Instant Flex or the Instant Pro Plus over here on Hypertix. Those are the ones I've been milking lately. So go check them out. Can this thing come down for us? We need to come right down here, dude. Around 197.50 is TP1. 197.50. It looks pretty good, man. It looks pretty good. It looks like it may want to come back down, and if you trade support and resistance, come retest this level down here. That don't look like a bad idea to me. Come back down, retest this level, see if it wants to use it as support. Can it come on down though? It's getting a little hold up right here. Getting a little hold up right there. If we can get through there, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. Come on, dude. Just give it up, fools. Give it up and drop it. Give it up and drop it, dude. Trade with AKZs looking for longs at 29,182. Hey, man, that'll be good with me. That'll be a TP. 29,182. I like it down here a little bit more though. If you know, down here you got a fair value gap, you got some blocks over here. Looks pretty good. Like right now, dude, it's just like I wouldn't even want a long up here, man. It's too high. Like who would want a long way the heck up here? That's way too high, man. There we go. Now we're getting the drop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, get through there. This is the 1 minute time frame. Indicator called out this trade. It's up 11R today. 11R. Oh snap. Come on. We got close to that first TP. Inverse FVG means it does not fill. So basically it means a candle closed back on the other side of a fair value gap. So this yellow box was a bullish gap. Once this red candle closed on the other side, it made an inversion fair value gap. This gray box here, it's a bearish fair value gap. So the inversions happen when the opposite color candle closes on the other side. Dang, it's really using this level over here as a support, dude. We need a dump. We need a dump. This is my inversion fair value gap indicator, by the way. This is my inversion fair value gap indicator. You can try it out for 3 days. You can get 3 days free trial if you want to try it out. It calls out everything, man. It has the session highs and lows here. You can see it marks out the London highs and lows, Asian highs and lows, previous day highs and lows, and then it also calls out good inversion fair value gap trades. It'll give you a checklist. This one's rated a C, and it'll show you it only has displacement in this one. So you can do it by grading, right? So if you, right now I have it on fixed 2R, so it just goes for a fixed 2R. This right here is, 2R. So the TP. So then you could also do minimum grade. If you only wanted to look for A setups, you could put it on A setups, and it would only look for that. Pretty nice indicator. Might be a little biased. Let me see. Somebody said, should you cash out? You're up 3K. I mean, if you're up 3K, I'd cash out. 3K is pretty good. I think it still drops though, but the only problem is you can see what you're getting right here. You got some trend line liquidity coming down. It could still run up here one more time and then come down. If you're up 3K, I would just cash it out. Take that 3K, brother. Take that 3K. Lion Sky, no, they do bank transfer. Come on, dude. We need to get right down here. 29,197. We need the drop here. Moving pretty slow, man. It's holding up over here. You got this little previous resistance. Now it's trying to use it as a support. We needed to break through there, dude. Break through there for us. Come on. I know what we need here, dude. I got it, dude. There we go. Now we gonna come down, dude. You got to put up the construction zone. Cannot pass this area up here. Hey, whoa. Where you going? And we need this right down here too, buddy. You know it's gonna head right for it now. Come on. Isn't it a risky sell there? Nah, I'd say it's a risky buy, dude. The market's so high, dude. I mean, it's really up to your strategy though, man. I'm more of like when the market is above all the previous session highs, I more so look for the opposite way, shorts, right? Because a lot of the times, you know, before New York session or at New York session, the market will reverse, right? So even if it's going to continue, you'll get that pullback and then it'll continue on. But we'll see here, man. It's going back up now. The market's been super bullish lately. I'm not saying it hasn't been, but just looking here. We'll see, man. It's back up. It's back up now. It didn't hit TP1. Didn't hit TP1, but this is like what I was telling that guy. He was asking, should he close it? And I said it could run back up here in this area. It's retesting this inversion now. It could drop from this inversion. Just run up this trend line liquidity, retest this inversion just to drop it back off. So hopefully that's what's going on right here. We got the road sign up. It should not go past the road sign, dude. Maybe we need to add the chain link fence here. Let it know that it cannot go past the chain link fence. And then at that point, dude, if it gets past that chain link fence, then, you know, it's just got some serious issues going on, because it should not get past the chain link fence. These little candlesticks. There we go. There we go. Should not be getting past the chain link fence. Right there. Come on. Drop it off now. Come on. Just cover for 20 points. Let's go, Savvy. NQ, yeah, this is MNQ. Dude, who heard they're coming out? They're coming out with nanos. They're coming out with nanos. So if one micro is too big for you, don't worry. They got the nanos coming out. 20 cents a point on the NASDAQ. I think it's 20 cents a point, or is it a tick? 20 cents though. You know, right now we're trading the micros. I trade the micros. They're coming out with nanos, so it's even smaller. Oh my goodness, dude. Market just goes higher, boys. Just close your eyes and buy. This thing just goes higher. It's getting through the chain link fence. It's about to get up there to the caution sign. It doesn't, you know, the thing doesn't like peaches. The NASDAQ does not like peaches, boys. Confirmed. It's confirmed here. Your entry should be at the edges of value. Confirm with order flow. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Dude, all these people who have these complicated stuff they look at, they just make me laugh so much, because guess what? They lose too, and they know it. They just like to sound smart with all this stuff. But when you put it into perspective, the candles can go either up or down. I feel like everybody tries to make trading so complicated, man. The market can go up or down, right? I could flip a coin and have a 50% chance of being right. Just put the fries in the bag? I don't know, man. I'll put the diamonds in the bag. I'll put the diamonds in the bag, brother. Make jewelry. I know we don't have normal jobs around here like you. I don't work at Wendy's. I work at Jeweler's Touch. Speaking of that, dude, let me go put on my chain, man. I'm gonna go get my chain. I'll be right back. All right, we got the gold chain popping out here, man. We're about to just throw it on. We got to let NASDAQ know who's boss, man. We got to let them know we're rocking a chain. We're ready to roll. And we're not playing any games this morning, dude. We got to let it know. What's the trend? I don't know what the current TikTok trend is, man. I couldn't tell you. I don't keep up with those dances and stuff. I'm more, I'm more old school. I like Facebook and MySpace. That's more my style. I don't know what the current trend is, to be honest with you. Hey, who's noticed they're bringing MySpace back, dude? I'm going to make an account right now. Hopefully I can still log into my old account on MySpace. They're bringing it back. They're not going to have all those algorithms. But they're bringing MySpace back, dude. Who's logging on? MySpace. About to make my account, dude. Sign up today. Too early for short, not even below EMA 200. We'll see, man. Let's save that comment. We'll see. It might be too early, man. I'm not saying it's not. Everybody may be right? But if it's too early, man, are you in a long? Let me just ask that. Because, I don't really think anybody can be telling me what trade to be in unless you're in the opposite trade, right? You can either be with me or you can be in longs, right? But this market's going to come down. We got the peach set up. We got oh man, dude. I know the market's going to go after the peach down there. I can't really say why, but I think you can assume why the market would want to go after this peach down here. And I tell you what will really scare away that market up there. Let me go find it, dude. You put this up there, the market's gonna get scared and run, dude. I tell you. Boom. Oh, look at it. It's already dropping. It's already getting scared. You put that up there, market just gets terrified. Terrified. Oh. It starts running when you put that up there. And you add some of those, dude. Oh, snap. The market's just getting terrified now. The market's gonna get terrified, dude. Oh, now it's, oh, look at it. Look at it dropping, dude. Getting scared. Getting scared and dropping, man. I'm telling you. There it goes. That's all it took. That's all it took, man. Oh, it needs some watermelons? Oh, I see. The market's not really a it don't really like the booty. It likes the melons, you know what I'm saying? The market likes the melons. Here, I think these will do just fine. There we go. Bring those down there. Market should come right on down now. The streak. Come on, dude. We got to get rid of some of these emojis up here. We're getting like all kind of emojis going on. We got to just let it know, hey, you got two options here. You got two options. You can either have the eggplant or you can have the cherries, right? Just give it two options. See what it wants. It'll pop them cherries. Let's see, man. It's got to get down there first, dude. It's got to get down there, man. The market's trying to make up its mind right now. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, no. It touched it, boys. It touched it, and it got real scared when it touched it. It gave it a try. It wasn't liking it, dude. It gave it one touch, and it got It got terrified, dude. One touch, and it got terrified, man. Come on, drop it now. You don't like that. I knew you didn't like it. Drop it down now. I knew you wouldn't like that. That's all it took, dude. It gave it one little try there, and it got, I mean, it dropped as soon as it touched it, dude, and it wasn't having it. It said, oh no, I know that ain't what I want. Maybe the NASDAQ's blind. Maybe it goes off of touch, right? It couldn't really decide. It couldn't really see well. It touched it. It knew that ain't what it wanted. Oh yeah, now it knows what it wants. Oh yeah. One touch, baby, that's all it took. Now it's going after him. It knows where it's going. It knows. It knows. Now the NASDAQ sees what's going on. Now the NASDAQ sees. Woohoo! Go get them cherries, NASDAQ. Go get them. You know you want them. Just drop it down there. One time. One time. Get down there. Come on. Almost touched TP1 right there. It didn't quite touch it, but it wants the cherries, dude. That ain't enough. It's waiting. It's about to pop it down there. Yeah, the indicator's right here. So it took this inversion fair value gap to the downside. Took the inversion fair value gap. It marked all this stuff out, dude. I don't even have to mark it out. I just sit here and draw emojis on the screen. The indicator does all the work. I'm just drawing the emojis out. Oh snap. We start drawing the dang emojis on the screen, and look who comes into the chat. We got the trading hub in here. The hub's in the chat, dude. Oh snap. We got the hub. Oh gosh, come on, there's no way. Reject this bearish gap. Get down there, man. There's no way you smelled them down there and you ran. I know you smelled them when you got that close. Come on. I know you smelled them. Yeah, the hub's in the chat. I see it. The trading hub. Come on, dude. It's in a bearish gap right now. We're looking for it to reject this bearish gap right here and fall down. Reject that bearish gap and get on down there. NQ's just nervous. It's probably a little nervous, man. I'd be nervous too with all that sitting down there. Come on. Don't be scared, NASDAQ. You got to do it sometime. I'll give you the birds and the bees talk, and we'll talk about that later on. Just get down there right now. Our mentor, by the way, let's go, Patrick. You want a mentor who's lame or one that's fun and wins? I'd rather have one that's fun and wins. Come on. Come on, come on. This is the IFBG Pro Plus indicator. Dude, no way it taps right there and does not touch TP1, dude. No way. No way, dude. Guys, Maxim says I make money from courses and ads and groups and percentages, not from trading. Hey man, I appreciate that. I appreciate you think I can make money from courses and ads and what else did you say? And groups and percentages. I appreciate all that, man. I appreciate your vote of confidence. Come on, drop it down. Drop it down. Come on. Yeah, it's been crazy up, dude. Crazy up. We're not even asking for much. We're just asking for a little pullback here. A little pullback in the market. Can we get a little pullback? Oh my gosh, dude. Maxime worked on Walk Street for 5 years with his father. Oh my gosh, dude. We got a market maker in the chat. Oh my goodness. Dude, Maxime worked on Walk Street. Not Walk Street. Where the heck is Walk Street? He worked there for 5 years with his father. That's like the knockoff of Wall Street. What the heck is Walk Street? That's the Wall Street knockoff. He's been walking for 5 years. Your trading views delayed 10 minutes because you probably don't have data. For futures, you got to buy the data or connect a prop firm account to get, you know, not delayed data. Come on, dude. We're waiting. We're waiting, NASDAQ. I know you're nervous. I know you're nervous, but you can do it. You can do it, little buddy. Just get on down there. Get on down there. Maxime said, very easy to fake trades. Well, it's not very easy to fake payouts, buddy. I show them about every single day because we got somebody like you in the chat. We got somebody like you. You're like, you know what you are, man? You're like the guy in 3rd grade who used to tell all the kids that Santa Claus wasn't real, man. That's how you are, dude. That's how you are, man. Santa's real, man. How do those presents get under the tree every year, buddy? It ain't by your dad working on Walk Street. I can tell you that. That ain't how those presents get under the tree. It's Santa. Why you got a course, buddy, and a code for all platforms? Well, I mean, you know, if you can make some more money, would you not? I mean, dude, that's like telling somebody, hey, why do you have 2 businesses? You already have one. Why do you need 2? I mean, dude, come on, man. Use your brain a little bit. Use your brain. I mean, I'm a guy who likes to make money. I'm not gonna turn down. I'm not, you know, you guys are gonna use codes anyway. So would it be dumb of me not to have a code? You're gonna use somebody's code. Yeah, it's just, dude, it's just ranging. It's gonna go down there though. I know it. I can feel it. I can feel it. It's gonna drop. It's gonna drop, dude. Come on. Come on, dude. You got all the desperate people in here protecting you? Man, nah, they just been here for a while. They just been here for a while. They see it happen every day. See it happen, been a part of it, seen the payouts, man. Seen the $30,000 payouts. Multiple of them. Why are you shorting? Genuinely curious. Because, so basically we're above the London highs, the Asian highs, and statistically when you get an inversion fair value gap above all of those highs, you get a nice pullback. Just go back and look at it every day. Anytime you get above or below the Asian or London high, you will usually get that pullback to come back down towards a little bit. So we're not looking for a full-on reversal here. We're just looking for a little bit of pullback in the market after it has just been going up all night long. So the market's been coming up all night long. We're not asking for much here. We're asking for a slight pullback in the market down here. That's not even 50% of this move up, right? 50% is like right here. So we're just asking for a little pullback in the market. It may be a full-on reversal, but I don't need the full-on reversal. I just need that little pullback, right? Show receipts for payouts. I mean, I show them every day, man. I show them every day. It gets to a point where, hey, you know what? If you don't believe me, you don't want to be here. Just don't be here, man. You're just throwing all the whole vibe off with all these haters in here. Well, guess what? I ain't gonna let you get my day down, buddy. If you don't want to be here, you can leave. I'm still gonna be here. If I got 2 people in the chat, I'm gonna be here drawing emojis out, having a good time. Because guess what? I just like it, man. It's just fun. I like making money. Yair said, got tips for beginners, bro? Yeah, don't listen to anybody else. Don't listen to anybody else, dude. You got to figure this stuff out for yourself. You know, everybody's going to tell you, hey, you can't do this. Hey, you know, 90% of traders lose. All this kind of bull crap, dude. They're going to be telling you, hey, you know what? You should, the market's going up. You need to buy here. Don't listen to nobody else, dude. Look at what you see and just do what you think. All right? That's the best tip you can do. Take it slow and easy. You know, don't look at any streamers online making thousands of dollars a day. Don't try to do that. You know, just think about your job, dude. What kind of job are you working now? Are you making $200 a day? If you can make $100 to $200 a day, hey, that's all you need to do, man. Don't try to do too much. Do what you think and don't do too much. That's pretty much it. Yo, what up, random throwaway handle? CMPFM. Oh yeah, dude. Gotta support the bros over there. Market's just ranging, dude. Just ranging. We'll see. We'll see. It might pop up one more time. Yeah, off the ground. Dude, that's seriously true though, man. That is serious advice. Like, for real. I know a lot of people online make, you know, thousands. You see all these big P&Ls. If you're on Twitter, the best thing you can do is just not even watch anybody. Don't get online. Just make a little bit of money every day. And if you do that and look back at the end of the month, you're killing it, man. You don't need to get to a payout in 3 days or the minimum days, right? When I first started, my goal was to get to payouts in 15 days, 15 trading days, which was like a whole month pretty much. So if I got to one payout in a month, dude, I was happy. And that, dude, that's if you don't know, dude, I bought my first time trading. I bought 10 Apex accounts. Well, not first time, but my first time trading futures. I bought 10 Apex accounts, blew up 6 of them. Took 4 of them to $30,000 in payouts, and I had over 150,000 sitting in there. I could have withdrew it, not yet. You had to get to like 6 payouts to get the full withdrawal on Apex. I had over $150,000 waiting to withdraw, and I blew it all. Right? I blew it all. But hey, man, I still took out 30,000 from the first 4 futures accounts that I had. So. Yeah, I did mess up. I could have, you know, played it smarter and withdrew 50,000, but I mean 150,000. But hey, man, you live and you learn. Sheen Bean, appreciate it. Yeah, I got the fresh cut going on, man. Got the fresh cut. How many payouts I need to get from Lucid, like bigger payouts? What do you mean? I'm sorry, I'm not understanding the question really. Guys, I'm telling you that the best thing you can do. The best thing you can do in trading, or at least personally, everybody trades differently, but my favorite time of trading right now, I'm trading a lot because I'm streaming and doing all this stuff, and we're about to hit TP1 here. But my favorite time when I was trading was literally when I was just streaming, and I didn't have a time limit on my streams. I didn't have to stream an hour, nothing like that. I would stream, sometimes it was 30 minutes, sometimes it was 2 hours, but I was streaming just until I got my trades in. And my trades, I would only go for $200 to $400 a day on my funded accounts. And then whenever I got that in, I would get off. Like, dude, go back and watch my streams. My early day streams, you literally see I make $200 to $400 a day and get the frig off the charts. The rest of the day, man, I used to trade London session and I'd make $200 and just call it a day. I wouldn't look at the charts the rest of the day. And that was actually, dude, that's all it took. Come on. Drop it down. The market wants the peach. It wants the cherries. It's going, and there's TP1. There's TP1. Come on. Get down there. Get down there. TP1. Smacked. Can we get the full TP? What indicator? This is my indicator. I made it. It draws everything out for you. It's the IFVG Pro Plus indicator. You can get 3-day free trial if you want to try it out for yourself. The settings I'm running right now, I'm just going for a fixed 2R. Fixed 2R. There's two settings. You can have it on normal mode or fixed 2R. I'm just going for a fixed 2R right now. Come on, dude. Drop it down. Drop it down. 2R means 2 risk reward. So it's going for 2 times the stop loss. So you can see whatever this stop loss is, the target is 2 times that. So stop loss is, about 24 points or so. Target is about 48 points. So it's going for 2 times. But there was TP1, dude. There was about 24 points right there. So at this point now, the stop loss moves to break even. Once the TP1 hits, you can see it says move stop loss to break even. So now at this point, you can't lose in the trade. You take some profits there, move the stop loss here. If you have a runner, if it comes back up, your runner gets stopped at break even, right? So the stop loss is not up here anymore. Come on. We want that full TP. Give them that full TP. Melt it. Get the booty. Get the peach. Get the cherries. Drop it down there. Will it continue to go down? I mean, it looks good to go down to me, right? I mean, we got this this zone down here that looks like it could come retest, right? The top of these highs over here. This is also a gap sitting right down here that it looks like it could come tap into. But we'll see, man. It's probably a higher time frame gap. Somebody was saying there's a higher time frame gap right here. So we'll see. We will see. But if it comes back up to here, the runner stopped at break even. Come on, there it goes. There it goes. Retesting this bearish gap here, now falling off. You see, it marks out the bearish gaps for you, the bullish gaps. These gray boxes, these are fair value gaps, so they should act as a support and resistance. Since this is a red candle, this gap is a bearish gap, so it should tap into that gap and use it as a resistance to keep on dropping. That's what it's doing right now. Using that bearish gap as a resistance. Come on. Come on. There we go, dude. I don't know. I just blocked them though. Somebody said spam in here. Yeah, I blocked them. Come on, dude. It's got a little taste of it. It got a little taste. Maybe we need to drop it down a little bit. Drop them down a little bit. Let them know, hey, you got to get all the way down here, buddy, if you want it. If you want it, you got to get all the way down there. Let them know. Let them know. You can have a little taste on the way down. You can have a little taste of the cherries on the way down, but hey, if you want the full thing, you got to get all the way down there. Need the magnets? Hey, we brought out the magnets. NASDAQ really, it must have been the opposite, right? And the NASDAQ was not liking the magnets when we brought them out. We brought out the cherries and the peach. And it started dropping. There we go. There we go. You're new to trading, so basically the market can go two ways. This is all the market can go two ways. It can go up or it can go down. Right here, this is my indicator. My indicator, it alerts whenever it thinks good trades are happening based on inversion fair value gaps. But basically right here, my indicator said, okay, the market has a good chance to go down. So it got in a short. So right here, it got in a short. And basically it thinks it's going to go down. So the market can go two ways. It can go up or it can go down. In this case, thought it was going down. So it's coming down. TP1, that means you take some profits. Took some profits there. You're leaving a little bit to run down here to this full TP. This is the full TP where you would get completely out of the trade. When you hit this first TP, that's when you move to break even. Move stop loss to break even. So if it comes back up here, the runner would be break even. Come on, dude. Drop it down. Drop it down. All right. If you guys are looking for a prop firm, man, check out Hypertix right here. This is the prop firm I've been milking lately. Gotten a lot of payouts from them. Check out Hypertix. You can get 50% off with code SLADE right now. Hypertix, you can trade futures or Forex. I like to trade futures, and I like the Instant Pro Plus account and the Flex accounts. So if you look right here on the programs, I like the Instant Flex and the Instant Pro Plus. Right? So there you go. If you don't want any consistency in the evaluation, you can trade Hyper. But Instant Flex and the Instant Pro Plus, these are the plans I like. Personally. Are they end of day or intraday? End of day drawdown. End of day over at Hypertix. Man, we've been in this trade the whole entire stream here, just looking for 48 points, man. Looking for it to drop down. Come on, market. Come on, market. Feel got 515 on an eval. Let's go, dude. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Off the ground, I like the bigger accounts. I usually trade the bigger accounts. Just give me the full 50K funded money so I don't have to trade. Hey, I wish that's how it works. Straight to payout. When are they going to come out with a straight to payout accounts, man? That's what I'm waiting on. They got straight to funded, but where's the straight to payout accounts? That's the real question. I don't know, Phil. He gone. Lucid already has them. I don't. They got the straight to payout accounts. Yo, let's go Archangel. Angel. This is NASDAQ. We're trading MNQ. By the way, guys, if you are, if you want to trade really small, they're coming out with nanos. Nano. So basically, NQ is the NASDAQ. Then you have MNQ, which is a smaller version. So each contract is less money per point. And now they're coming out with the nanos, which is even smaller. So no better time to get into trading right now. When they come out with the nanos, dude, you could probably have super small accounts. All right, let's see. Is this going to get stopped at break even for the rest here? Hit that TP1, getting close to the break even here. Let's see. If it can respect this bearish gap, it can still fall. You see this big gray box? That's a bearish fair value gap. So as long as it doesn't get above there, it can still drop down here. But it's inside of that bearish gap right now. Any tips for beginner trading? Yeah, man. Don't try to do too much. Try to make a little bit of money each day. That's it. Don't try to retire in a month, Just try to make a little bit of money and just come back every day. Don't trade too long. Just get on here, look for one good trade. If you make money, get off. That's it. Because if you can make a little bit of money every single day, then that's the way. That's the way. That's it. Saksham. Sorry, don't know how to pronounce that, but that's it. Won't New York Open just kill you? I mean, dude, honestly, you don't have to trade the New York Open, guys. The New York Open is very overrated in my opinion. A lot of people like to trade the New York Open, but it is very, very overrated. You get a lot of manipulation at the New York Open, a lot of moves very fast, and it's hard to gauge how fast it's going to move, right? You're so used to the pre-market and how it's moving. When the New York market opens up, it just gets super crazy, super volatile. So I think a lot of people overhype the New York Open. You got to understand that the market moves 23 hours a day now. The New York Open is not like how it used to be. Now people are trading all night long. So the market moves all night. New York just comes in and the volatility gets crazier. So New York Open's a little overrated in my opinion. Like I used to trade the London session and I made tons of money just by trading the London session. I never even looked at the New York Open. Best source for learning as a beginner. I mean, dude, I wouldn't. A lot of the stuff you see online is bullcrap anyway, dude. Like, find a simple strategy that makes sense to you, and then just kind of use that to learn the markets. Don't go trying out 100 different strategies. It's just going to confuse you. You're going to get analysis paralysis. Just literally find one strategy you think, okay, this kind of makes sense. I understand what's happening here. I just wait on this line to get tapped or whatever strategy you're looking at, and then just go look at that on the charts, right? Does it work out more than it doesn't? And then just use it. Because either way, you're probably going to lose your first few months trading, right? So just keep it simple. All right, here we go. Market's coming up here. What's your go-to strategy? I mean, I like these inversion fair value gaps. There it is. Runner stopped at break even right there. Came back up. It could not get down there. Could not get down to that full TP. The market is bullish, man. But there it is. So hit TP1 right here. Runner got stopped at break even, and there it is. So that would have been this trade. This trade would be over now. Yeah, peach wasn't enough for it. It didn't want it. It was fine. It was fine with the cherries. Cherries were all it needed. So how do you decide how many lots you'll risk in a trade? Well, that's, so look, this is, you know, I'm not trying to sell the indicator. I mean, I am kind of trying to sell it, but this indicator, it shows you how many to put. So like, basically you could do it by calculating the points here on micros. Basically, you can see how many points it is and then calculate it. So if this was like 24 points, you can go through and do the math. But with it, my indicator here, it'll show you how many contracts you need to be risking. So I have it put in here. You know, if I want to risk, let's see, right now I have it put at $250. Contract risk 250. You can see the indicator, it shows me how many, let me put this up a little bit so it goes out here to the right, but it'll show me how many to enter. So you can see here, 5 contracts to the stop loss, that would be $243. So 5 MNQ contracts is what I should have been risking here if I wanted to risk 250 bucks. 5 contracts to the stop loss, that would have been risking $243. Metal says, I'm about to get wrecked. I don't know how I could get wrecked. I'm not in a trade. I took profits at TP1 and then the runner got stopped at break even. So I don't really know how I can get wrecked when I've already made money. Kind of strange. That's kind of strange, buddy. TP1, that's your target one. Target price 1. All right, dudes, it's 9:05. I'm about to get out of here. And go trade with the Discord. So I'll see you guys later. I'm out of here. Make sure you check out Hypertix. If you want the indicator, you can try it out for 3 days for free. Can't find it, you can click the link on my channel or my bio and you can find the indicator. It's just, it'll be on my page, whatever you're on, it'll be on the bio. But I'm out of here, guys. I'll see you in the next one. If I don't see you in the Discord, and I'll see you tomorrow. We're on here every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. But I'm out. See ya. Peace.